midnight thoughts, every piece of me I never thought you'd be the one to dim the light. In the love I held so tight, you whispered dreams into my skin, but all along you let them end. A knife behind a velvet smile, you played your part with perfect style. Why did you betray me? Was my heart too soft, too easy to break? Did you lie every time you said you'd stay? Now I'm drowning in the mess you made. Why did you betray me? You said forever, but you meant goodbye. Now the truth cuts sharper than your lies. Your promises were made of sand, slipped through my shaking hands. I built a future on your words, but now they echo and it hurts. I see your face in empty rooms, the scent of you still haunts the gloom. You smiled while tearing me apart. Did you ever even have a heart? Why did you betray me? Was I just a game you played to win? Did it thrill you watching me cave in? Now I'm left with scars beneath my skin. Why did you betray me? Ooh, touched my soul then walked away, left me with the ghost of yesterday. Tell me, was I not enough? Or was your love just cold and rough? Did you ever mean a single word you said? Or was I just a name inside your head? Why did you betray me? I hope my tears stain your sleep. May your silence echo deep every time you dream of me. Why did you betray me? I loved you real, I loved you true, but you never loved me too. Now the silence is my only friend, and your memory my bitter end. Ronald's music.